This method for making microfluidic chips is both inexpensive and simple to implement. Any research lab can produce these microfluidics in-house, and the device designs can be iterated within minutes. The main advantage of this technique is its efficiency. That is to say, any lab can make their own custom microfluidic devices in-house quickly and easily.
After hand drawing each layer of the device, draw the final designs for the layers on a computer using any software program that allows drawing lines and shapes. Obtain a screen capture of the drawn design and import each layer into a Craft Cutter software program. Create a new document and drop the image file on the displayed mat. To trace the design, select the Trace icon and completely select the imported designs. Select the Trace Preview Outline option and adjust the threshold and scale settings as necessary until the yellow trace matches the design. Select Trace from the Trace menu. The channels will be shown as a red contour. To size the device, select the traced design and use the grid provided by the software to change the width and length of the channels and chambers. Small lines can be drawn temporarily to measure the dimensions within the device. After the device has been properly sized, use the drawing tool to draw a square of the same shape and size over each layer of the device. Next, draw circles over the inlet and outlet ports of the design. Then, copy and paste both the original design and the circles and erase the channels from the underlying device.